Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Now, as you can tell by the title, today we're going to be creating this really cute glam holiday look. A lot of glitter, a bold lip, everything like that, super glam makeup look. And I'm going to be doing this whole look using only SISTAR Cosmetics. This video is sponsored by them, and they did send me a box of PR with a bunch of their makeup products to try out and show you guys. So SISTAR reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try out some of their products, and of course I said yes. They have a bunch of really affordable, great quality products on their website, and honestly a bunch of stuff that looked amazing, so I was so excited to try it out. So if you want to see me try out a bunch of SISTAR makeup in this video, as well as use it to create this beautiful holiday glam, just keep on watching. Alright, so let's get started. I have my SISTAR box right here full of products to try. So we're just gonna open it up, and so many beautiful products that I cannot wait to try out. So let's get right on into this. So this is the first product I'm going to be trying out. This is the Rose Glow Primer, and it is infused with rose water. The packaging, first of all, on this is gorgeous. It's supposed to keep your makeup on for hours with hydration, which sounds like honestly my perfect primer, because I like something that is kind of hydrating since I have super dry skin, but also that's gonna make my makeup last. So I'm really excited about this. I can't get over this beautiful rose gold packaging. So it does have a bit of that rose gold luminosity to it. You can definitely smell the rose in there. There's a bit of that glitter and luminosity, and it's definitely hydrating. It really eliminated my pores in this region, so I'm excited to see how the foundation applies over top, because I do like how that primer is sitting. It's honestly a really pretty primer. Like, I would even wear this alone. Next is foundation time. I have the It's You Skin Perfecting Liquid Foundation. I have 3 different shades right here. We have Vanilla Cream, Fair, and Nude, which obviously this one's gonna be super dark. I feel like Fair. And here's what this looks like. I honestly really like this type of packaging, since it's still a pump, which makes it really easy to use, but then the squeezy tube makes it perfect for traveling. You don't have to worry about like a glass bottle. And I am gonna be using a brush to apply this today. Oh my god, that might be a perfect shade match actually. Yeah. Awesome. Claims to be like that weightless light foundation, so I definitely think it's gonna be that more natural looking type foundation. That just like make your skin just look really pretty. Let's do one more layer, see if I can. Alright, so it definitely is that dewy look as well. Next, we're going to move on to some concealer. And this is the It's You Skin Perfecting HD Concealer. And I do have 3 shades in this one as well to choose from. We have Fair, Ivory, and Light. I think I'm going to use Light for under the eyes today. Here is the applicator. It's like a slanted doe foot. And I am just going to use a sponge for the concealer. Oh, that blended really nicely, and it looks like really nice under the eyes. With final season, I've been getting a bunch of these like tiny little breakouts just from like stress, so I'm gonna be using the shade Ivory, which is closer to my skin tone shade, to just spot conceal a little. Alright, so right now my skin is looking pretty dewy, so let's fix that with some powder. So I have the It's You Skin Perfecting Finishing Powder. This claims to be a silky smooth powder for your flawless finish. This is in the shade Translucent. Here it is right here. Really nice packaging. Comes with a little poof, which is so soft. Oh my goodness. Start just right here and go under the eyes. So it's a pretty mattifying powder, which I personally like. Because then you can kind of pick and choose what you want matte on the skin, not really set everything down. A little bit goes a long way, and it's a very light powder. It's almost like flour, really finely milled, and that really set down my whole face, so that's awesome. And then we're gonna go into this baking powder. This is the I Bake You Happy, which what a cute name that is. This is in the white shade, and it's a luxury baking and setting powder. Ooh, fancy. Now I do like to bake under the eyes, especially while I do my eye makeup, to make sure everything sits really nicely. And I've never used the powder with this type of packaging, so I think I'm gonna put it right onto my sponge to make it easier to apply. And then I'm gonna go under the eyes and just place it there. I'm gonna let that sit there, and let's go to the eyes. So I do have an eyeshadow palette to try out today. This is their Sun Kissed eyeshadow palette, and here is the palette. We got some beautiful neutral tones in here, and then it comes with a little brush. So I'm going to dip into this second taupey shade and start with a nice transition. It's like a matte shade, so let's just go in here. Ooh, very pigmented, what we like to see. I'm gonna dip into this warm brown and take this one on the outer corner, and then also take it up, and then the darkest brown, and keep this more on the outer corner to deepen up the outside. Now they did send me some glitter eyeshadows, which if you have been watching me for a while, you know I'm obsessed with anything that's a liquid eyeshadow that sparkles. So first we're gonna start off with this, which is the primer. So I'm just gonna apply this to the eye. It's kind of like that creamy consistency, and I'm gonna do like kind of a half cut crease today. It's just like a liquidy type primer that I think is supposed to help with the adhering the glitter to the eye. First I'm gonna go in with this right here. This is in the shade Shining Beach, which first of all, these boxes are gorgeous. Just gonna open it up here. It's a beautiful gold. Wow, are they metallic. It's like a beautiful foiled eyeshadow. I'm gonna take it to about the middle section right there, and then I want to try this shade out because we're doing like a holiday look today. It's in the shade Ambitious. Apply it to the center of my eye, and we're gonna blend this in after into the gold shade and then into the stuff I did on the crease. So just apply it to the center and to tap it out in the outer corner over here. So the other shade they sent me is this beautiful silver in the shade Frozen Heart, which I'm so excited to do a look with. I might actually add it when we're done the look, just on the top there, maybe. So next I'm going to try out these gel pot liners. So I'm going to start off with the brown shade. I'm just going to take like a bit of a flat brush, kind of use this on the outer corner to deepen this up and blend it into the red. And this is super creamy gel pot, and then we're going to kind of wing this out too. And I'm going to use the brown from the palette with a little brush and use this on the top here to buff the gel liner into my crease. It applied really nicely, super easy to work with, but I do want to do a fierce wing liner today. I'm going to use their Eye Contour Liquid Precision Eyeliner, and it's just a felt tip, and it has a super precise tip. And it was really easy to create a super precise look. Take a bit of this black gel pot just because I want to try out everything. I'm going to dip in slightly into this. They are like super soft, and I'm going to use this to kind of buff this eyeliner into the rest of the eye look to kind of give it that like blown out effect. Kind of repeat the shades that I used on top, so the lightest shade, buff it on kind of everywhere. Then I'm gonna go in with this more rusty color and the darkest brown. Then I'm gonna take the excess on this brush from those gel liners, kind of connect my lower lash line. Before I finish that off, I'm going to do some brows. This is their Tame and Sculpt Perfect Brow Kit, and it's like a little palette. This is what this looks like right here. All the products just in here, and this is in the dark shades. So we have the actual brow powders, and then we have a wax at the bottom here, and then a highlight shade. And you get this perfect little tool with a brush on one side and the spoolie on the other. So I'm gonna dip into the darkest powder right here and kind of just fill in the brows. Oh, it's very pigmented, but seems like it'll blend out nicely. I'm actually gonna dip my spoolie into the wax like this. This is just how I like to do this. And I'm just gonna use the wax to really set them in place. I'm gonna take another brush with the highlight shade and just highlight underneath the brow. I'm going to dip into this first shade, highlight the inner corner. It's like a beautiful champagne gold, so it really ties in the whole look together. I keep staring at the silver. I kind of want to use it today. It's like a beautiful silver with like blue and purple throughout it. Like, oh, are you kidding me? That's gorgeous. I'm going to kind of cut my crease with this shade. Oh, that is so stunning. Holy crap, is that pigmented. That's so pretty. So I'm gonna go repeat this gorgeous eye look on the other side, and I'll be right back to finish off the makeup look. All right, so both eyes are now done, and I just added some mascara. I don't think I'm gonna do lashes today because I kind of want to leave the focus on the eyes. Next, I'm gonna be using this bronze and shade duo stick. So we have a shimmering bronzer and a cool contour color in here. So on this side we have the contour, and then on this side we have this beautiful shimmery bronzer. So I'm going to take a brush and just kind of put some of the cream contour up the skin. Ooh, that's actually really nice. Really nice. That blended amazing. And then I'm not going to use the shimmery side today because I want to go in with this contour palette. I'm going to dip into this middle shade with a bigger fluffy brush. So yeah, this bronzer palette worked out nicely. It blended out really good. So let's go in with some blush. I have this blush duo. This is the Full Moon Blush Duo in the shade Rosy Cheeks, and it's a dual blush. So it has two colors there. I think I'm kind of gonna just go right in the middle. Lightly put some of this on my cheeks. It's like a matte blush, but it's applying really nice. And then for highlighter, I'm actually going to dip into the eyeshadow palette and take this first gold shade right here. Just apply it to my cheekbones as a highlighter, just to give me a bit of that glow. Cupid's bow, nose. Same one I use on the eyes. All right, so next it's time to use some lip products. Now I have a bunch of different products here to use. So I have two different types of products. The first one is the Sweet Moment Matte Lip Stain. And I have three shades. We have Red Bottom, Merlot, and Creme Brulee, which Creme Brulee would definitely be one I would definitely go towards. This is such a beautiful fall color. But today, since I want to do a more holiday look, I'm going to be using this one right here. Really cute packaging. And this has avocado and jojoba seed oil. So maybe it'll actually be a moisturizing liquid lipstick. And this is it right here. Beautiful packaging. I love the gorgeous gold. It looks like a super pigmented red. Ooh. It smells like cake. Like chocolate cake. It smells so good. So that actually applied really nicely, even without a lip liner. Super pigmented. It's definitely matte, but it's not drying on my lips at all, which is amazing. And then we have the Sweet Moment Gloss Lip Stain, which is similar colors actually to the other one. So we have Stiletto, Nudie Peach, and Raspberry, all really pretty shades. But I'm definitely going to go with Stiletto right here to kind of match the red. Oh, this smells so good. It smells like Fuzzy Peaches, like the candy. And it's not sticky at all. It's just a really beautiful glossy formula that is extremely pigmented. One more product to try that will really lock in the whole look. And this is the It's You setting spray. Ooh, looks like it's gonna be a nice mister. Wow, this stuff smells straight up like perfume. It's a really nice smell. I don't even think you'll need perfume with this. Alright guys, so here is the finished look. I honestly really like how everything turned out. I loved a lot of the products I tried out today. My favorites have to be the eye glitters as well as the lip products. I'm really excited to try out the other shades and everything like that. I think definitely the foundation and concealer are products that I would definitely wear in the future just because they were super light but still gave me a really nice finish. So everything really was a success in today's video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this holiday makeup look. I had so much fun trying out a bunch of these SISTAR Cosmetics makeup products. I'm definitely going to be using this little red lip combo for the holidays coming up here. I'll definitely link their company down below. They have a bunch of affordable makeup that you guys can try out if you're interested. But other than that, I hope you're having a fantastic day or night whenever you're watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and also make sure to turn on my post notifications so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And yeah guys, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.